Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rear view mirrors with backup cameras available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for advanced features or a reliable budget option, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the EWAY 4.3-inch LCD rear view mirror screen, which offers an OEM-style design and great compatibility for older vehicle models. This mirror blends seamlessly into your car's interior, giving it a clean, factory-installed feel. The 4.3-inch LCD monitor provides decent brightness and resolution, ensuring clear visibility for backup camera footage. It includes dual RCA video inputs, which means you can connect up to 2 cameras for additional versatility, perfect for vehicles needing both rear and side views. When it comes to design and build quality, the EWAY mirror scores points for its sturdy construction. The 10.5-inch mirror surface itself has a blue tint to reduce glare during daytime driving. However, a 480 by 272 resolution might feel a bit dated compared to higher resolution alternatives. This product is ideal for drivers who prioritize simplicity and compatibility over advanced tech features. Unfortunately, it lacks extras like touch functionality and modern integrations like GPS or Wi-Fi. In terms of value, this model is best suited for cars like older Ford, Toyota, and Jeep models that need a straightforward solution for backup visibility. While it's a reliable performer, its limited feature set might not appeal to tech-savvy users. Pros include wide compatibility, a clean OEM look, and dual video inputs. But cons include lower resolution and lack of advanced features like night vision. Overall, it's a good choice for basic use cases. At number 4, we have the Coenom 12 rear-view mirror camera with CarPlay and Android Auto integration. This model delivers exceptional versatility, combining a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera for clear, detailed footage. With a 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle view, blind spots are significantly reduced. The mirror's 12-inch IPS touchscreen is large and responsive, offering smooth usability. The 2.5D curved glass adds a premium finish and makes your dashboard look modern and stylish. One standout feature is the integration of CarPlay and Android Auto, which lets you navigate, stream music, and make calls, all hands-free using voice commands. This keeps distractions to a minimum while driving. Audio output options include Bluetooth, FM transmitter, aux, and a built-in speaker, giving you flexibility to route sound through your car's audio system. However, it's worth noting this mirror camera cannot be used as a regular mirror when the screen is off, which might be a drawback for some users. This product is perfect for drivers looking for a blend of advanced tech features and high-quality video recording. Pros include seamless connectivity, excellent image resolution, and flexible audio output options. Cons include a higher learning curve for setup and the inability to function as a traditional mirror. Overall, it's a robust model for anyone who loves tech-driven convenience. At number 3, we have the Coenum 12-inch 4K rear view mirror camera with CarPlay and Android Auto. This model offers a great balance of advanced features and usability. It boasts a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, delivering crystal clear footage during day and night. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen is bright and easy to navigate, and its split-screen functionality allows simultaneous viewing of both front and rear camera feeds. One of the highlights here is the seamless integration with CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling hands-free access to navigation, calls, and entertainment apps. The voice control feature further enhances safety, letting you interact with the camera without taking your hands off the wheel. The mirror design is sleek and modern, and the 2.5D curved glass not only looks great, but also improves visibility. Audio output options like FM transmitter, Bluetooth, aux, and built-in speakers cater to diverse user preferences. This dashcam is ideal for drivers who want a high-tech, feature-rich solution for safer, smarter driving. Pros include excellent video quality, intuitive touch controls, and versatile audio options. Cons include a slightly higher price point and the fact that it doesn't function as a regular mirror when off. If you're looking for advanced functionality without compromising on style, this is a strong contender. Taking the number 2 spot, we have the Coenum 4K rearview mirror camera with CarPlay and Android Auto. This model is a standout performer, combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek and functional design. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera ensure every detail is captured, whether you're driving during the day or at night. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen is both expansive and responsive, offering split-screen functionality that's perfect for monitoring multiple angles. What sets this product apart is its voice control system, paired with CarPlay and Android Auto integration. You can access maps, music, and calls simply by speaking commands, keeping distractions at bay while driving. The mirror's anti-surge and anti-reverse connection protection make it durable and compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Audio flexibility is another highlight, with options for FM transmitter, AUX cable, Bluetooth, or the built-in speaker. This product is ideal for drivers who want advanced features like seamless connectivity, high-resolution footage, and intelligent driving assistance. Pros include superb video quality, voice control, and versatile audio output options. Cons include a slightly bulkier design and premium pricing. If you're looking for an innovative, high-performance dashcam, this one is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the WOLFBOX G930 10-inch rearview mirror camera. This model is the ultimate choice for anyone seeking top-notch performance and advanced features. With a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, the WOLFBOX G930 delivers exceptional image quality. The wide dynamic range, WDR technology, and super night vision ensure clear visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. The 10-inch touchscreen is highly responsive and allows easy navigation of features like split-screen viewing and reverse assist. One of its standout features is the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, which provides faster and more stable video downloads and sharing via the WOLFBOX app. Additionally, real-time GPS tracking lets you monitor speed and route directly on the screen, making it perfect for long road trips or professional drivers. The included 64GB memory card eliminates the need for additional purchases, and the loop recording ensures uninterrupted video capture. This model is ideal for tech-savvy users who demand high performance and reliability. Pros include excellent video quality, advanced connectivity, and GPS integration. Cons include a slightly smaller screen size compared to others on the list. Overall, the WOLFBOX G930 is a powerhouse that combines safety, functionality, and convenience, earning its spot as the best rear-view mirror camera on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.